So far, we have learned how to prompt AI by using a specific prompting structure. We talked about using different styles, different variables, and parameters to fine-tune the picture. And we also covered how to generate specific images from reference images. Today, let's talk about framing the picture, which is a technique in Midjourney where we get a picture by giving examples of images that we want. It's also using reference images, but with an intentional angle, size, and even text in the original image. Now, if you have used Midjourney to create text, you'll know it is not that good. It is actually really crappy when it comes to creating text. For example, here is the prompt. A photo of the Las Vegas sign during a snowstorm at sunrise. And we get this. But notice that although the sign looks pretty good, the lighting, the angle is all good, but the text is completely wrong. It's gibberish. Las Viad, Favasa, La Vaga, Laia, which is the name of Las Vegas in maybe another dimension or another universe. But in our universe, if you want a sign that looks closer to the actual Vegas sign, we can get that by framing the picture or by using guide images. Just like using this reference image, upload it into Midjourney and then copy and paste the image location. And we can use this as a guide image as well as turn down stylization and turn down chaos to guide AI to creating an image like this one. Chaos, remember, is how much freedom you are giving AI to stick to your prompt. And stylization is how creative or surreal you want the image. If we truly want to guide our image, we will turn those two parameters off. So our prompt will be reference image, a sign for Las Vegas. C0, S0. With that guide, now AI is able to come closer to the actual sign. Notice how it is still not quite perfect. There are some typos, but these can easily be fixed in Photoshop. And this was done with chaos and stylization set to 0. Since the original reference image, the guide image, is widescreen, we can change the aspect ratio to push AI to create an image more like it. This time the prompt would be reference image, a sign for Las Vegas during a snowstorm at sunrise, C0, S0, AR, which is the aspect ratio, 16:9. And we got this. Now when we upscale one of the images, you can see it looks very similar to the guide image. With Photoshop, you can definitely do a little touch-up to get to the final result we were looking for. Here's another example of using a guided image to help guide the AI into the direction you want to go. One of my clients took a picture of her daughter like this. She is bending over, holding onto a yellow plastic stick, pretending it is a flower. Using this as the guide image, we can use the prompt. Reference image, African-American girl in a yellow dress smelling a beautiful sunflower. Comic art, Pixar, cartoon. And you can see AI changed the yellow plastic stick into an actual yellow flower. Also, in one of the pictures, added a row of yellow flowers in the background to make it as if that's where the girl got the flower from. AI is also very good at blending the colors together, like the flower, like the background, like her dress, to make it pleasant to look at. Once you find a style you like, make sure to use the same variables at the end of each prompt, like comic art, Pixar, and cartoon. You will use that over and over again to continue to get consistent looking characters for your project. This is a reminder that you don't have to have an exact picture of what you want to create, but simply using it as a guide, which is framing the picture. Here's another example. A husband wanted to turn his wife into a warrior. So we took her photo and used it as a guide. The prompt is reference image, fierce female ranger, strikingly detailed armor and shoulder pads, stunningly beautiful, 8K, intricate, detailed, ultra clear photo. And AI was able to create these images in mere minutes. So what do you think? Pretty cool, right? Now this person's wife is a warrior. Look at the lighting, the shading, the details, and the textures. Imagine creating a calendar for this person, a book, or some social media promotional images for this person's business or influencer promotions. How much would this person pay you for all of that work done in minutes? That is how you can start thinking of using AI not just for yourself, but to create multiple income streams.